In this video, we will learn about the fractions now. So addition of fractions will be our first topic. So in the addition of fractions, we will get different questions. So one kind of questions will be with like denominators. So for example, if we have 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7, so you can see the denominators are the same. So we say these are like denominators. And then there will be another kind of questions in which unlike denominators. That means denominators will be different. So we will study two kinds of addition of fractions with like denominators and unlike denominators. Now starting with the examples like 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. So here we have like denominators. So for the like denominators, so it will be directly the numerator. So just keep in mind that when we have the same denominators, in that case, the denominators will be written the same. So it will be, so now starting with the examples. So first example we are taking in which we have the same denominator. So it is 7 and 7 same denominator. So now how do we go over the addition of such cases? So when we have the same denominator, just remember that the denominator after addition will remain same. So it will be 7 and 7. So it will be just 7. Don't by mistake add these numbers. They will never be added. So when they are same, so we just write the same denominator and the numerator. So first numerator is 2. So write 2. Then write plus, this plus, and then write this 3. So it will be 2 plus 3, so which is 5 and over 7. Now the second example in which again we see we have the same denominator 9. So what we will write here? So first step is write the same denominator 9. And after that, what is the first numerator? So write that 5. What is the sign after that? So it is plus. Then what is the second number? So 2. So write that and then write the same denominator what we were writing earlier. So it is 9. And what is the numerator? So it is 5 and plus 2. So it is 7. So we get 7 over 9 as the answer. Now the next case we take with unlike denominators. That means the denominators are different. So in such cases, we will be first finding out the common denominator. So we say least common denominator. So in short, we also say least common denominator as LCD. So how do we find this? So what is the first denominator? 5. So we write multiples of 5. So we write first few multiples of 5. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 10, 5 times 3 15, 5 times 4 20. So let us write first 4 and then we will see if required we'll write more. Now what is the second denominator? 3. So we write multiples of 3. So what are the multiples of 3? So 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, then 3 times 6 is 18 and likewise. Now we see here, so as we were seeing least common. So what is the least common in this? So we can see 15 is common in both. So this is the least number which is common. So if we see 5 is not there here, so 10 is also not there. So this is the least number which is common to both. Now we will first make both the denominators as 15. So how do we make it? So first I'm writing 2 over 5. Then plus 4 over 3. So to make this as 15 here now, so we times it by 3. And then to make this one as 15, so we times it by 5. Now you can see the first fraction is now 6 over 15 plus the second fraction is 4 times 5, so 20 over 3 times 5 is 15. Now you can see we got the same denominator. So we'll write the same denominator as we were doing in the previous case. So it is 15 and the numerator number 6 plus 20. So 6 plus 20, then we can write it as 26 over 15. So this will be your answer. So now this is another example. So in this again we can see that we have different denominators. So these are unlike fractions. So again we start with the least common denominator, so LCD, and now we find multiples of first denominator. So multiples of first denominator is 8. So we write the multiples of 8. So 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 4, 32. So we'll write 4 and if required we'll write more. Then second denominator is 12. So we write multiples of 12. So 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36 likewise. So now we start looking. So for the common denominator, so 8 is not here, 16 is not there, but 24 is there. So 24 is the least common denominator. So we'll make both the denominators as 24. So first we write 3 over 8 and then plus 5 over 12. So to make each denominator as 24, so we'll multiply suitably. So 8 times 3 and times 3. So whatever number you're multiplying to the bottom, same should be multiplied to the top. Now same way here, so 12 times 2 is 24 and here also we times it by 2. So now we get this as 3 times 3, 9 over 8 times 3, 24. Plus 5 times 2 is 10 over 12 times 2, 24. Now denominators have become same, so we'll write the same denominator 24 and in the numerator we have number 9 and then we add 10. So what is 9 plus 10? So we get 19 over 24. So this is the answer for it. Now pause the video and try these questions. So I hope you'll be able to get it, and once you're done doing the questions, then you can check the answers on the next slide. So hope you got the answers. Thank you.